Slide views. You can use PowerPoint's views to set how the slides and their contents appear on the screen.
It is used to edit, print, and show your presentation. By default, PowerPoint displays your slides in normal view. To change the view of a presentation, click on the View tab and then click on any of the options available in the Presentation Views group. These options are Normal, Slide Sorter, Notes Page, Reading View, and Slideshow View.
Normal view.
It is the default view that shows the current slide, the outline, and the notes pane.
Slide area. The slide area displays a large view of the current slide. This is where the slides are created and edited.
Slides pane displays the slides as thumbnails.
Notes pane. This is the area where a speaker can write notes for himself. These notes do not appear when the presentation runs. Slide sorter view.
This view shows all the slides of a presentation as thumbnails and allows to change their order. The advantage of this view is that you can see more slides on the screen and you can move, delete, and organize these slides more easily. To view a presentation in this mode, click on Slide Sorter View command under the View tab.
Notes page view. The Notes page view shows you how your notes page look like in printed form. In this view, slide of your presentation and the speaker notes that you have added within the notes pane for each individual slide appear together. To view a presentation in the Notes page view, click the Notes page command form in Presentation Views group of the View tab. Reading view.
Reading view runs your slideshow in the PowerPoint window with simple controls instead of full screen. It makes the presentation easy to review. The ribbon and the slides outline pane are not visible in this view. To view a presentation, click on Reading View command under the View tab.
Slideshow view. Slideshow view allows to view the presentation in full screen mode. Slides can be run one after the other to form a slideshow. By using this view, you can see how your presentation will look when you display it to others. However, you cannot modify the presentation in this view. To view the presentation in Slideshow view, click on the Slideshow tab from the ribbon and then click on the From Beginning option to start the slideshow from the first slide, or From Current Slide option to start the slideshow from the current slide. Slideshow view is the full screen view of your presentation, the way your audience will see it.
To move to the next slide in Slideshow view, click anywhere on the slide or press spacebar key on your keyboard. To view a slideshow, follow the given steps.
Step 1. Click on Slideshow tab on the ribbon.
Step 2. Click From Beginning, from Current Slide from the Start Slideshow group.
Or click on Slideshow View icon on the status bar.